Now, I know I've already posted these a couple times, but these things are awesome. It's the light switch covers. You see, you got the little screw hole there, the little switch slides right in there, just like putting on a standard light switch cover. If that ain't the coolest thing, I kind of want to do them for like every single light switch in the house. Unfortunately, these only come in singles right now. We don't have any doubles. We do have doubles of the dragons. Let me show you those. These are the dragon light switch covers. That's the double. The singles are my favorite. That's the single. Now, when you install these guys, the dragon just pops right off. You install it just like you do a standard light switch cover, and then the dragon's got the little pegs in the back. You just slip that on there, push it down a little bit so it kind of clicks in, and you're good to go. Look at that guy. And it's the same with the double. Pop them right on there, click them back down into place a little bit, and you are good to go.